Hi, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to create a Truthy Falsey list from a list. So this is nice and helpful if you're trying to figure out if a value is truthy or falsy in Python. So basically, we're going to use Booleans in this. But let's first create a item list. And within the item list, we're going to have a bunch of just different items. So we could start off with none. We could start off with 0, 1. We could do something like hello, and then we could have an empty string here, and maybe we have even false here. Okay, and we're going to figure out using list comprehension in Python which of these values are truthy values or which are falsy values. So to do that, let's create a truthy falsy list. And we're going to use list interpolation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say bool item for item in item list. Okay. And then we'll just print out our truthy falsy list here. Okay. Let's build this with Python. And we see here that the first value, none, is a falsy. 0 also evaluates to a falsy. 1 evaluates to a truthy. A string containing anything in it besides an empty string will evaluate to a truthy. An empty string will evaluate to a falsy, and a Boolean that's false will also be false. I hope you found this video entertaining. It's a little short one on truthies and falsies in Python, along with a little bit of list interpolation. If you found it interesting, please give it a like. Also consider subscribing, as it really does help the channel grow. Thank you. Have a great day.